Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Did you see that cool entry animation at the start? Please tell me you guys could watch it. No? The Matrix entry animation, dude. What do you mean? You didn't see the entry animation? Okay, wait one sec. Now did you see it? So that is like a Matrix kind of maybe not for I think iOS users can't see it, but Android users would have seen it. Android maybe nahi. Okay, God knows, guys. Figure it out. iOS cannot, I know. Okay. Either way, it's a GIF that loads. Okay. Okay, guys. Today we'll not do a proper market talk session. We'll take people on stage because I realized I didn't do it for a quite a bit of time. Also, the new DP. How's it? How's the new display picture? Super 20. Someone from the community actually gave it to me, and I said, why not? Yeah. Cool. So we'll just take a few people on stage. Someone's asking why 20 only. Hmm. Interesting. Super 20. Yeah. Top 20 stocks. Either way, let's do one thing. Let's take a few people on stage and do a nice market talk session with them. Okay. Awesome. Whoever wants to come on stage, requests to talk about anything, whatever you want. Yeah. Go ahead. Hello. Who's this with massive background noise? Yeah, guys. Anyone can start.
Hello, am I audible?
Saj is here.
Sorry.
Saj is here. Nice. It's pleasure talking to you, man.
Hey, hey, Sad. How are you?
I'm fine. Sank,
Yeah.
wow. In the recent videos, we saw that Vaibhav Global was a good stock, right?
Yeah.
But we gave it's an alternative to the one you said, right? If you have more money, you can purchase that one. But it's not
Correct.
performing as that one. I think it's basically on technicals, it's not that good. So we are on fundamentals, right?
Yeah, we're on fundamentals.
It maybe soon on 1x.
No, so I don't pick stocks depending on technicals at all, first of all, right? I only pick on the future potential of fundamentals only.
Yeah.
So, with respect to that, Vaibhav is a very good pick because of its growth potential that is happening. You should read up more about what it does. Technical will only give you that's basically swing trading, what you're talking about, right? That is something that I
Good
don't do at
entry,
all.
right?
Sorry?
Technicals will give us a good entry. That's it.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter where your entry is because I'm only looking at when to exit, right? And the exit potential is very good for Viber. So that's the logic.
Shashank, I added doubt. I wanted to ask from long.
Yeah.
So if a person does, we have IPOs, right?
Hmm.
So if what are basically IPOs? Suppose a stock is being initially offered to public, right? So
Correct.
they offer in lots, right?
Correct.
In lots, one lot, two lot. So if a person doesn't get it, generally we buy stocks from our broker, right? When can we buy that
Hmm.
IPO stocks from our broker?
Which broker are you talking about? Give me an example.
Any broker, any Zerodha.
So, for example, Zerodha is a broker, right? Zerodha has a
Okay.
section where you can go apply for an IPO from the broker, right?
No,
The broker's
not
job.
IPO one.
Then,
I'm asking, after an IPO, will it be listed on NSE and
yes,
BSE, right?
yes, 10 days
Yeah.
later.
How much time? Okay, 10 days. Yeah, yeah. That
It's
works for
written
me.
there. So if you just Google Zomato IPO details, you will see a website called Chittorgarh. Okay. On Chittorgarh website, you will see it written clearly.
Okay,
See how many days it's coming back, how many days it will get listed, after how many days, everything will be written very clearly.
okay, okay. Thanks, man.
Okay. Awesome said. Thank you.
May I ask something?
Yes, bro, go for it.
So I wanted to ask is basically that like you always say market jab down hai tab it is good to invest. But now as it is a bull market, so is it like a good time to invest? Because so I have been like saving. So I finally got an internship now. So I have been like eyeing the stocks since like last 4 to 5 months. But now it's a bull market, so I'm like little afraid. Should I go in the market or I should wait for the dip? So is this right strategy to go in
No,
the bull?
because it depends on how many months are you gonna invest for, right? Are you keeping it for a short-term period or is it for a long-term
Long,
period?
long,
Then
long
it
term.
doesn't
At
matter
least
when
one
you
even.
enter or when you exit, right? In the bull market, you'll keep averaging upwards. In the bear market, you'll keep averaging downwards. In the end of the day, your net worth is still building, no? And you're making good return. See, 6 months ago, we
Oh.
were in a bear market. If people thought it was a bear market and didn't invest, stocks have gone up by 100%. You would have missed out on that rally.
Hmm.
Correct? So you can't wait for that problem. Why I say invest when the market is down is because when the market goes up 4 5 days continuously, usually it goes down hard by 1 or 2 days, right? Or maybe 1 week it'll correct. It's called correction. So when it corrects for that 1 week, that is when you invest, is what I say.
Oh.
During the correction. Got it?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Awesome. Why didn't you put a DPJ? Too cool for a DP award.
I will. I will.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Yes, sirs. One more. Yeah, Jay is too cool for a DP. Yeah, ask guys.
One more out, please.
Hello.
Yeah, hi
Hello.
Shashank. This is
Yeah.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shashank, I just have like two questions. I mean, compared to the community guys, like I'm new to like investing in stocks. I mean, like I've been familiar with stock market, everything from like 4 to 5 years, but I only studied mutual funds and all because I was a beginner and I had this fear and all that rather than investing
That's fine.
directly, I'll just get
Nothing
into
wrong.
mutual funds. So I invested my dad's money and all. I was familiar with mutual funds, but like recently I started. Then like after discovering small cases and all, and like after seeing your video, like I was almost ready to invest in a small case. I mean, I'm currently invested in a free small case or value something. I forgot the name.
Value
I think
momentum.
yes, that one. But
Hmm.
and then like I wanted to get in a paid one because like the ones you suggested, like Deepak Shenoy and the other guy, I did a lot of research
Apogee.
about them, and yeah, Anupam Jim, yeah. So like, but the thing is, Shashank, I mean, like for example, you are in the finance industry, right? I mean, that's your profession to like do the research and everything. But like I'm in
Correct.
a totally different industry. I'm into digital marketing. I'm a totally industry. I mean, apart from my work, I have to take out time to do the research and all. So I thought like I mean, what do you suggest? Like, should I have keep a I mean, should I keep a small case something which should be on autopilot and then
See,
or
I'll tell
else
you
like
what. Firstly, there is no difference between the mutual fund you're talking about and Alok Jain and Capital Mind you're talking about in
no, like
principle.
I'm not my money I'm just keeping into stocks. Mutual fund, my dad's money is into mutual fund because he won't understand that
I
much
would
stock.
say first learn about stocks. So keep it in your free small case. Don't buy a paid one.
Okay,
Learn more about how to find out and analyze your own stocks, right?
okay,
Once you learn that, then you figure out how to invest in paid, go to paid. Until you don't know how to read stocks by yourself, it would be difficult. Ideally, what you should do is even if you're investing in a mutual fund or in the small case, you should first identify what stocks are there inside and learn that. So there's no wrong, there's no harm in buying paid, right? I mean, the difference would be, yes, there'll be 2-3% extra that you might get, right? Because someone else is managing for you. So there's nothing wrong in that. But I'm telling it for your sake, right? Not for someone else's sake. That you need to start making yourself aware of how these things work.
Yeah, but Shashank, the thing is like, see, for example, if I like put my money and like pay for the paid small case, but the thing is like I like until and unless I won't monitor the stocks and all, like I won't learn to that depth, right? You're getting me what I'm trying to say? So like if I like that is the thing. So like currently I just have one free small case and a few stocks like I'm manually picking. So, like, what do you suggest? Like, should I have a small case and do manual stocks together, or like, and to learn more, I should like do it everything by myself?
I would say go to this website called valuepicker.com and just start reading if you really want knowledge. Capital Mind or
Okay.
Alok Jain, small cases are not going to give you that knowledge. They are just trying to beat the market and beat the index and get you money. And they'll also take small cut out of that money. That's it.
Okay. 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 And one more thing, like Shashank, if I'm a
Learn from
long-term
outside.
investor, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shashank, like for example, like I'm a long term, like foreseer, just the way you are. So like, and plus, obviously, I just have like 10% of your knowledge compared to finance industry. So like, should I? I mean, I am according like to the knowledge from I'm getting from the community and you and all. I am like picking up good stocks, but like, should I worry about like when should I exit? I mean, should I worry about exiting? Because that is the thing. Like, I can't track stocks and all like on a very regular basis. So like, should I worry about like when to exit and all?
See, I'll tell you what, your biggest fear should not be when to exit. Your biggest problem right now, first problem to solve, is when to enter and what to enter in, right?
Okay. Okay.
The biggest thing about how to exit and all is a very secondary problem. See, for example, now I have stocks that are up 100%. Now,
Yeah.
ideally, according to every book and every paper, it says you should exit these stocks because it's up 100%,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But it
Yeah.
depends on me. I don't want to exit because I'm here for like the 5 year game. So I can exit it now, great. I can exit it and leave it right now, no issues. Nothing will happen. It's not a sad thing to have, no, because I'm still profitable. Even if I exit right now, I'm still profitable. So it's not bad to have. But the
True.
bigger question is, imagine if you don't know how to enter and you enter into a wrong stock. And once you enter
Hmm.
into a wrong stock, something gets screwed up big time. Then what you do? That's a bigger tension you should have be worried about.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So the problem is not exit. The problem is entry, in my opinion. Exit is just okay. You'll either way make money. Ideal goal at the end of the day is what? Money makes money. Money should make more money. If you get a good
Yeah.
entry, you will always make good money. Now, if you want extra money, that's greed. That cannot be solved.
That's a bit hard to control though. I mean, like that's
Yeah.
what. So you suggest that like if we are like doing the research well with your help and the community help, and we are entering like mid-size good multi-baggers like the growth stocks, like so
Correct.
like we can stick to them like at least 3 years, 3 to 5 years, without like
Exactly. See, for example,
without
stocks like
worrying about
CDSL,
exit.
IRCTC, okay, they're
Okay.
all 1 lakh, under 1 lakh market cap companies. These guys have a monopoly business, right?
Okay.
They're
Yeah.
going to be there for a very long time. Even when your kids are old, IRCTC will be there, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? So when it's something like that, then what is entry and what is exit? Definitely over that period of time, it will give you some nice returns.
True.
So how does it
True.
matter? So it depends on what you catch and how do you catch, right? Other stocks, I don't know whether it will be there or not. But if you catch monopolistic stocks like NSDL, if NSDL comes out, catch that. If Swiggy and Zomato comes, buy both Swiggy and Zomato stocks and keep it. One of them will definitely survive,
True. True.
right? If you
True.
still feel, you know what, all of this is still risky, make one global account, US global account. Just keep buying Amazon because that is not going to die. Or even in India, if you want buy Tata, TCS,
Yeah, true, true.
right? ITC
And
don't buy, but everything else you can buy.
yeah, and one last question, Shashank, like what do you think, like how long this? I mean, see, from I came to know Happiest from through you only and the community, and from the time like I'm waiting, okay, it maybe it will fall a bit, then I'll buy, but it keeps on going, it keeps on going. Like today itself, it again like rallied like
Yeah,
7%
it
or
went up
something.
by. Firstly, this is the
I
very,
felt
very good. I want to educate people a lot on this very element. Firstly, all of you guys in the entire community, right? Remember, we were talking about happiest minds, and people are like, dude, it is too high, it's gone up too much, there's going to be a correction, there's going to be a correction, the P ratio is too high, it's overvalued. If it's overvalued, I'm not going to buy. And I keep saying, don't look at overvalued, undervalued. Look, if you look at it from 5 year horizon, it is undervalued. If you look at it today, it is overvalued. Correct?
yeah.
I keep telling people don't look at undervalue, overvalue. It does not matter so much. It really does not matter whether it's under. See, because the reason why it's going up so much, if you look at Dixon, I don't know how many of you all track Dixon Technologies. Dixon went up 5 times, right? I think 5,000 to 20,000 it went up. People are like, dude, it's overvalued at 5,000. Then at 10,000 people said it's overvalued. At 15,000 people said it went up 5 times and it's still going up. It's not like it's stopping. But the reason why it's going up is because your P ratio and all you'll see ratios and you'll be like, oh, it's so expensive. But people
Hmm.
are discounting it for the coming up result, right? And if you looked at Dixon's result, you would have seen the P ratio adjusting automatically because Dixon suddenly did really well, right?
Hmm.
The revenues also came up. So all that happens. So you can, that's what I said. If it's a good stock, right? If it's something that is going to be there for, like you're saying it's overvalued or you're saying, when to enter, just ask yourself one question, right? If I have to keep this for
Well,
5 years, will it be more than what the current amount is? Yes or no? Simple question. If I'm going to invest for 5 years or 3 years, fuck 5 years. If 5 years must be too much of a commitment. Say if I'm
yeah.
gonna be here invested for 3 years, is this over? Will this go up from what it is today? If it is at 10,000 crore market cap, in 3 years, will it go more than 10,000 crore market cap? If your answer is yes, then you don't have to think and worry. Now you will be like, okay, you know what? I bought it and suddenly it went down. Oh shit, that is a possibility, right? I just bought it
Hmm.
and it went down. If it goes down, buy more. Because why? Over a long period of time, it is still profitable for you. So buy more. How does it
True,
matter?
true, true.
So it's all about psychology, right? A lot of people think too much, I would say, when you're investing in stocks. Firstly, once you find a good stock, you should not think. Literally, don't think. You just buy it.
Just buy
A lot
it.
of people
Okay.
think too much. पी रेशियो ज़्यादा है ये ऊपर है वो नीचे है Warren Buffett said it will go down. Michael Burry said inflation has come up, so crash will happen. Let it happen. Either way, you can't time it. Let it happen. No, when it happens, what you buy more. If you find good stocks, that is the most important thing. Buy more. Keep buying more. Then when the next bull run happens, you'll have so much stocks of a particular company at the lowest average return possible that you'll ensure you make money.
Yeah, yeah.
Buy stocks that are making fundamental sense. So, for example, if you tell me Adani stocks are going up, let's all buy Adani stocks. That is something that I wouldn't buy.
Hmm. Hmm.
I still haven't bought even one in my portfolio, right?
Hmm.
So it depends. It depends on a lot of variables and factors.
Yeah. Shashank, and we obviously, the working class people, like we do, even in stocks, we do SIP kind of thing, right? Like a certain percentage of salary will go every month in stocks. So,
Yeah.
what do you suggest? Like, for example, if I earn 50 grand and like I take out 20 grand every month to stocks, like you suggest to put in that money entire like in a few days or like throughout the month, like thoda thoda, like every week, something like that. What is what would be
No,
better, like?
the more you do that, the more confusing. Just put it one day in a month and be done with it. The main focus of that is for that money can make money so that you don't have to think about money that makes money, right?
Okay, okay.
So if you keep
Understood.
thinking how to make money, then you won't focus on your main business, which is your core salary.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, on my
And if
main
you don't
profit.
focus on your core salary, rather if you're saying for one second.
Sure.
If you're saying I make 50,000 and I'm saving 20,000, keep putting 20,000. Don't think about it too much. It's as equal to putting into a mutual fund, right? Just keep
Hmm.
putting it. Don't think about it too much. But then focus on how to make that 50,000 1 lakh. Because if you
One
make
lakh. Yeah.
50,000 into 1 lakh, then you can start saving 40,000 instead of 20,000.
I can make this 20 into 40.
Auntie, one coffee, buddy. Exactly. So now that is more important, right? 20
Yeah.
becomes 40.
Yeah.
Now people should be
And
focusing on that. People are focusing on how 20 can become 25, 30. That's not what you should focus on. That's
hmm,
not
hmm,
how
hmm, hmm.
compounding works, right? Compounding works where how when you put in more money, you get more money in return. The faster you put more into that well, the better that well starts filling up. It's exactly like a well, right?
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
You have one mug, every month you get some water in that mug and you keep pouring it into that well for it to keep coming up.
Yeah, yeah. Just last thing, Shashank. I'll just hand over to others. Last thing, do you suggest I mean, you did suggest ticker tape, right? So,
Yeah.
how relevant is that, MMI in that, and I mean,
Again, again,
over there it
again. Why are
says.
you looking at MMI? Why are you looking at MMI?
I mean, I just thought it's better. I mean, I'm just saying, is it like reliable, or you think we
Okay,
should
so
stop
it's
looking at?
reliable. It's written greed. Okay, it's reliable. It's written greed. Market is in a greed moment. What are you gonna do about it?
I mean, when it was in very great thing, like I refrained from putting in money. Then it was
Correct.
slowly coming to greed. So I thought, acha, theek hai, it will come slowly to fear. Then
Okay.
I can
Okay.
move
Let me
money.
ask you something. When it
Yeah,
was very greed, you refrained from putting money, correct?
yeah,
But the
yeah.
good stock still went up, no?
They still went up. Yeah, that is the fucked up
That,
part.
that's that's what I'm saying. People overthink so much. It's not that difficult. You have to find good, fundamentally strong stocks. You don't even need to find 20. You need to find 10 or 5 or 7 or 8 good stocks and invest in that as long as they are good. The minute they become bad, you can remove your money. You will be in profit, so you don't have to worry about it. But you need to find fundamentally good stocks. Ideally, find stocks that are also having a competitive advantage.
Yeah,
Monopoly
true,
type,
true.
correct?
So
So
as a
that's what
beginner,
you need.
what do you just tell me straightforward? Like, should I keep the free small case as well, or I should handle everything by
As a
myself?
beginner, first start learning, go to Value Picker, start reading up about all this, remove the noise, only focus on one thing when you're on Value Picker. How can I find fundamentally good stocks?
Okay,
Okay. That this is a
okay,
good company, it is constantly growing. They've invested a lot in capital expenditure. They're building more factories. If you buy more factories, then they will become more bigger. More factories means more revenue. Are they doing really well? Are they giving dividends? Are they having good cash flow? You find one good winner there, you invest in the winner. Our whole job in this community is to find winners, right? We keep
yeah,
finding one off here or there, we keep finding winners. Now sometimes the winners don't move when you want them to. Sometimes they move before you even make a call, make a decision, right? There are so many
yeah,
things that we have invested that doesn't move much, but it doesn't mean it's a bad company. It's a good company. Uska time aayega jab aayega. If you, I keep saying this, right? When we did this journey of 6 months, Lotus Labs, when after the split happened, it was trading at 280 to 350. For 3 months, it didn't move. 250 to 280 to 350. It was in that range for 3 months, right?
yeah,
When I
yeah,
invested in Subex at 11 rupees, I waited for 2 years for it to move. Why? Because every month, every quarter, the revenues were growing. So I was just
hmm,
averaging. That was a bear market, not even a bear market. It was not a bull, not a bear. It was normal market. That was when I averaged. And Subex gave me 3x, 4x returns in one rally, right? It just rallied for 3, 4 months and I got 3x, 4x.
hmm,
Simple.
hmm, hmm.
So sometimes you invest and it gives you great returns. Very happy. Sometimes you invest, it will take time for you to give. Like Explio, I invested Explio whenever we spoke about it in this group. Only I found out. I invested Explio 1 month return, guys. In the last 1 month, Explio has gone up by 85%. I invested, I made 50%. I'm very happy. Have I removed it? No, I have not removed it. Did I remove little allocation and put it somewhere else? Yes, I balanced it out. Because why? Because I didn't want to put so I had a limit on how much I want to put on Explio. It went up little too much for me. It went up 85%. I removed 15-20% of that, put it in my other stocks, Infobeans. Now Infobeans is rallying. Now once that finishes, once the rally is over, I'm still profitable, so I'll remove a little bit, put it somewhere else, that way.
Okay, understood. So when I'm confident enough about the like good fundamentally strong things, then like maybe I can exit that small case and put in those, diversify them in the other
Correct.
stuff.
First, fine. That's why I have two portfolios. I have a core portfolio and I have a future buys portfolio, right? Core portfolio is my
Mhm.
fundamentally strong stocks that I don't care if they go up today or go up tomorrow because I'm holding that for at least 3 to 4 years. Correct?
Mhm. Mhm.
They are my long term, fundamentally strong stocks. Then there is something known as future buys. Future buys are all these small stocks that I feel will rally. Like today, I'll tell you what. Today, I don't know what, it's been a very good market. My core
Mm.
portfolio has gone up by 2%, 2.22% today, right? Because obviously, happiest minds went up. The
Yeah.
market has gone up by 0.48, but my core portfolio is up by 2.2%, and my future buys portfolio is up by 2.15%. So very
Nice.
good returns today. Very, very, very good returns. And there are some things that I can't check here, right? Because it's not there on small cases. There are some things that are only there in my portfolio, like RACL, Geartech, and Pix transmissions, and things that I can't buy. But those have already rallied. They're already in profit for me. So I'm no tension for them. So two portfolios and just see whether they're doing well or not. If they're doing well, great. If they're not doing well, no problem.
So for
But
beginners, one is enough, right?
for
Like
beginners,
just like one portfolio is enough, right? Or like you would like you suggest to do it in like
so first learn and try to make one.
yeah, one I do, I think I have.
Then focus on
Mm.
making five. First, master yourself with one. You to master the ability to find one good stock is itself a big task. Okay, we are
Yeah,
doing it day in day out, and we are not finding good stocks. Dude, we find it. Imagine this whole community sits and tries to find stocks, and we barely get one or two. Right?
yeah,
So it takes time. It's not aaj nahi to kal, tomorrow it might be bad. So it takes time. Let's see. We'll get there. We'll
correct.
finally find a perfect balance, and we'll all make money. Right? That's the goal.
Yep,
Eventually
yep,
होगा once in a while. I believe that the community will all sit and find something great. हो जाएगा बस.
yeah, sure. Thanks, Shashank. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Awesome, man.
Hi
Okay.
Shashank, this is Nikhil.
Hey Nikhil.
First of all, thanks for all the knowledge.
Yeah.
You you cleared all my doubts, but I have to ask a question. But how to find the company's valuation? Is there is a way?
Market cap, dude. Public listed companies just look at market cap.
Yeah, how it will grow? How
Means
to understand the business model of the company?
that you have to read there's a document called investor presentation. Okay. Find out that company's investor presentation. It is usually on their website. If there is no investor presentation, then there is something called annual report. You will have to read the annual report and then you can understand. That's how you
Okay,
understand the company's business model.
okay. Future aspects of the company. It's also there
Also
or not?
given in the annual report, and I told you that there's one blog called valuepicker.com forum is there. You should go read in that forum. Everything's written there. Clear cut.
Okay, thanks, Shashank.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Yeah. Bhavesh.
Hello,
Hi, man. I like this enthusiasm you have. Tell
thanks.
me.
How are you?
All good, man. How are you?
So, first question is when is Avalon getting listed?
I don't know, not in the plans. I don't think it would also because the line of business we are in, it's not a very IPO-able business, right? So
Education.
no education, community depends. You can't scale education to a point where you can go become a see the people who have already scaled it have become big enough, right? Like Byju's, Unacademies. So I don't
Yeah.
think an IPO cards anytime. So I don't think it'll be there ever. So let's see. Unless we become a proper business, like a proper mom and shop business, then IPO will be there. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, tell me, what are your thoughts over Tata Motors?
Tata Motors, good. It'll definitely be a very strong force to play in the future, for sure.
Yeah, like I recently saw that Tata Motors and Tata Power signed something which will like save around 7,000 tons of electricity, which कितना था? Yeah, 7,000 tons of electricity, and they'll just shift that whole energy to green energy. मतलब उतनी energy वो लोग,
Correct.
so when we see these newses, with these kind of newses, it like my mind is I want to invest. I don't know, and at many points in these cases, I usually put my money after seeing these good news. But
Correct.
when they and just after that, when they fall, I am like
Yeah.
कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ? When the plans are good, when 5 year plans of that companies are showing only green, when the 5 year plan of that person या that handling person जो भी उसको operate करता है, I read about them also कि who is even managing that those like segments of that company. So after even after that green, it goes down, and that struck my mind. Now how I don't understand how with those green points as well stocks are going down.
See, that's because you're cheating. No, I'll tell you why. You are looking at the news that is a long term news, okay? A futuristic news that Tata Power and this are going to do something green tomorrow. And but you're looking at the stock price of today,
Yeah.
right? Then how can you determine some news and you're happy about the news that is happening tomorrow, but you're determining why is it going up and down today? In fact, you should be like, what is it going to be in 5 years, and then take a call on whether it worked or not. So you can't expect the news to be a long-term news, but the returns to be a short-term return. That doesn't work like that. If
Oh,
I invest in a factory or manufacturing company, then it's going to take time for that company to grow, right? So you have to invest in for the longer game, not for the shorter. You can't expect news is there now, so the return should be now. That doesn't work that way. Because अभी
yeah,
थोड़ी ना
like
किया
yeah.
वो, अभी तो
हाँ
जस्ट
मतलब
साइन.
sorry, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Hello.
Yes, I'm here. मतलब वो मैंने break कर दिया आपको. Sorry, go ahead.
No. Continue. That's what I answered it. No, that was what it is. So you have to have patience, dude. What you're seeing is good. What you're understanding is good, but it all comes down to what it is. It's your patience level that is not good currently because you're getting scared. Why is it not going up? थोड़ी ना आज ही ऊपर जाएगा. Market has so many factors that are dependent on it. But as I said, fundamentally good stocks will always go up. आज नहीं तो कल.
Yeah. Okay, so what are your top two suggestions in this current scenario? Let's say I want to buy 10,000 rupees of stock by tomorrow. I just want suggestion. I am not saying I'll buy those, but I want to.
What do you mean suggestion? What is suggestion?
Huh?
I don't give suggestions, dude. That's one thing I do because then it beats the purpose of what I teach, right?
Yeah.
If
Okay.
I start
No
giving
research.
suggestions, then people, I know for a fact if I give suggestions, people will not think 1% also. They will just buy,
No.
right?
I'll genuinely not buy, but at this point, I'm
No, not
confused
about
with
you, no.
various of
I'm talking
stocks.
about other
Now,
people, no, who will just look at that and buy. So I don't give
oh,
suggestions.
okay. For having me and amazing community, man. I really want to join you guys
No, you can join, bro.
so
It's
many
free.
times.
Don't worry, it's completely free.
Hey, can we? Okay, ये कभी बाद में पूछूंगा.
Yeah, ठीक है. बाद में पूछ लेना. ओके,
मतलब
चलो.
या मतलब अभी मैं पूछूंगा एंड वो मना हो जाए तो मेरे को वो नहीं चाहिए. मैं बाद में पूछूंगा अच्छे से.
नहीं, अभी पूछ ले चलेगा. अभी नहीं तो बाद में सेम ही हो जाएगा.
Okay, so while going through stocks and while discussing stocks with many people, we go through many different opinions. Like I go through many different opinions. Every person has his own mindset, and they deal with things in their own way.
Correct.
Now, recently, I've seen so many people panicking. Like, I
Hmm.
guess that I okay. So, firstly, I am into stocks for more than a year now, and for first 6 months, I made a really good profit. Like, yes, a really good profit. Some of them even went. let's say ELXSI, if you are aware about. So it gave me a really good profit in just a year. It went
Very good.
from 1400 to, I guess it's 3500 cross stock now.
Okay.
But as I meet new people, I get new suggestions, I get new topics, i
Correct.
I come across that now my portfolio is going a bit down.
Hmm.
Now I don't know if that outside noise or if that is stocks, because I invest, I do research, I do my thing, I do everything like which I feel is right. But still, when I am focusing on things on my own, it is correct. Yeah, I am getting results. But when I'm focusing on things with मोर देन वन, लाइक किसी एक से ज्यादा के सजेशन लेता हूँ, तो वो चीज आई गेस दैट इज अ डाउनफॉल पॉइंट फॉर मी. सो शुड आई टेक ओपिनियंस या सजेशंस या शुड आई नॉट?
Firstly, you should talk. See, suggestions तो लोग देंगे, right? That you can't stop, right? बोलने वाले बोलेंगे, right? They'll give you 100 suggestions. I get hundreds of suggestions literally every day. But you, in the end, you have to take a call on what you want to do, because at the end of the day, it's your money, no? It's not his money, no?
Yeah.
So you can take the suggestions, but only react on what you need to do.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, one more question. Have you ever bought have you ever made a decision while buying any stock?
I can't hear you. What? Have you ever made what?
Impulsive decision while buying a stock?
Yeah, yeah, many times in the past, and I've regretted all of it. So it's not good.
Okay, so it's like very clear that research is key.
Of course, always in anything in life, whether it's company or whether it's stocks or whether it's business, research is always key, bro.
And I
Knowledge is
I
key,
had
right?
a last
Research is
point,
knowledge.
but
Yeah.
okay. यार मेरे को लग रहा है.
Okay, I think your voice is lagging, bro. So I'm gonna take a. I can't hear you properly for some reason.
Clear now?
No.
No.
Okay. Either way, tell me if there's any more questions, any more doubts. Okay, I can't hear anything.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Okay, guys, I think that was it for the entire session. Hope you guys learned, educated yourself little bit, not too much. Little bit knowledge is also good enough. Got it? Awesome. Chalo. I'll see you guys. Today is what? Thursday, no? Okay, that means I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow anyway. Okay? Chalo. Bye.